In this short video, I want to share how to make money fast in LiveGood. It's a beginner simple strategy that I follow myself. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for years. Hey, I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet, and hit the like button too. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. So, LiveGood provides the very best nutritional products on the planet at the very best prices through an affordable membership program. It's kind of like shopping at Costco. It's less than $10 a month to save big on products you are already buying. The products are a terrific value, but your strategy to make money fast with LiveGood should be to focus on the income opportunity. See, lots of people are looking to save on our great products, but way more people are looking to make more money. I mean, who do you know who would not like more money today? So here's what to do to start making money fast. When you join LiveGood as an affiliate, you will have two websites. One is just like this. I set up a domain name to forward to mine to make this even easier. I think it cost me about 11 bucks. When I send people to wannalivebetter.com, they end up here. So to make money faster in LiveGood, promote this page. The LiveGood system does the rest. You do not need to create anything. You don't need to learn anything. Anyone can do it. This short video does the work. It explains our huge compensation plan and gets people to pre-enroll with a free position on your team. Then the LiveGood marketing system starts following up with them and helps them join LiveGood as a member affiliate so that they too can start making money fast. It's really that simple. It only takes a few minutes a day. We have terrific training. I will mentor you personally. And as soon as you upgrade to member affiliate, I will get you hooked up with my private web page to teach you how to get lots of traffic to your Powerline landing page every day for free. Many new people make money in just a day or two following this simple strategy. And LiveGood pays recurring or passive income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month. I know you'll love that. And in case you're wondering, LiveGood is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products every month. I hate that. So to learn more about making money fast in LiveGood, watch the 5-minute video right now. Go to wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.